Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to clear the hidden list of words from comments on the Facebook app for PC. If you've ever used Facebook's comment filtering feature to hide certain words, but now want to reset or clear that list completely, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to adjust settings for. Once you're on your main page, look to the top right corner of Facebook and click on your profile picture. This will open a small menu with several options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. After that, go ahead and click on Settings. This will take you straight to Facebook's main settings page where you can manage your profile, privacy, and visibility options. Now, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see a list of categories. Click on the one that says Profile and Tagging. This section controls who can post on your profile, who can tag you, and also how comments work on your posts. Next, scroll down until you find the option labeled Hide Comments, containing certain words from your profile. Click on it. Here, Facebook shows the list of words you've chosen to automatically hide from your comment section. Next to the text box, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the extra menu. In this new menu, look for the option that says Clear List and click on it. Facebook will now remove every word from your hidden list, restoring your comment settings to their default state. And that's it. Your hidden words list has been completely cleared. If you found this update helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step Facebook guides. Thanks for watching.